Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to cover my gray roots. I know from there it almost doesn't look like I have them, but I'll show you. Ready? Coming in. I've got some grays coming in, and basically it just makes my hair look a little bit thinner. It's right at the hairline and right here at the back part where my cowlick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some gray touch-ups. I've colored my hair before with Madison Reed on my channel. I will link you that. It was, I think that was in January, and I can show that to you up above in the iCard. And it was definitely a, it was kind of a discovery process because I was really scared of coloring my hair at home, and it worked out great, but I was not as thorough with the saturation on the roots. I was a little bit hesitant because I didn't want, you know, to like stain my skin, and I didn't realize how much I had to really apply the product. So today I am going to focus on really saturating my roots. I am going to get it in there good, and I'm going to leave it on for you, and then you can see how it works. And what else do you need to know? Oh yes, so they sent me another kit. Thank you guys, Madison Reed. Love you. I want to go visit you. Okay, I need to go to New York or San Francisco. I can't remember where they have their flagship stores, but you can, if there's one near you, you can actually get your hair colored in their studio, their salon. How great is that? So I did the bottle method last time where you squeeze, it's still the same mixing process, squeeze the color into the bottle, mix it together, and apply the bottle directly to your hair. But this time I'm going to mix it in a bowl, and then I'm going to use the brush to apply the color, and this should give me a more saturated application. Let's see. And I am again using Veneto Light Brown. That is my shade regardless of season. My base shade right now is like a cool light brown or cool dark blonde. I was born strawberry blonde, and I've been blonde all my life, but I think as I'm getting older and more gray, it's cooling off. And I asked Madison Reed before they sent me this kit, I said, can I go a little blonder? Can I go a little lighter? And they decided, their color experts decided for me to stay at the Veneto Light Brown because of the undertone. It will stay cool, and I won't go, what is that when it turns hot? When it you know what I mean. My hair is dirty, you know, it's basically day-old shampoo hair. I've got my bowl out, I've got a towel, got an old t-shirt on. I'm gonna just put some on right here because I'm gonna really go to town with, you don't want to put the cream on your hair because then it'll stop the color from actually adhering to your hair. But I'm gonna put it on my face. Okay, so we're gonna take the tube, put the product in the bowl directly. Gloves, they also send those to you. Get it all in there. For me, when I cover my gray hair, it lays smoother. I find that my gray hairs are coarse and kind of unmanageable. And so I feel like when I color my hair, it really gives it manageability and just it cooperates more. So I know that's kind of a phenomenon of, in fact, I love having highlights because they rough up the hair shaft and actually gives you volume. I know, right? Okay, I am going to use my mirror. I'm going to zoom in for you. We are going to go in. I'm going to start with I'm going in both directions. Oh, and I'm gonna get that back right there. I am going to get it so good. Get it. Okay. The nice thing about this brush is you don't really need the comb. Getting that widow's peak, getting in right here. Oh yeah. Got a little carried away there. I could have used barrier cream right here, but honestly, because of my part, I'm not so worried if my skin is stained a bit, so it doesn't bother me. So this is the part that is like definitely stubborn for me. So I'm really gonna go in there and get on my scalp. Just not be afraid of saturating the roots with the color so I can really get those grays covered. And I'm going to keep my ends from the product. And all right, it is time for the cap. Gonna put the cap on. I'm gonna get it over my ears so that it keeps the hair warm. I think then it develops more. And then I am going to set my timer for 30 minutes. And actually, I'm going to add some time because it says, for more stubborn grays, leave on for an additional 10 minutes. Ain't that the truth? Countdown begins. See you in a bit. Okay, folks, it has been, ooh, that looks dark, 40 minutes, and I am going to now wash my hair. It says you can leave on an additional 5 minutes, putting it all the way down to your ends. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to keep my highlights, and let's hope these grays are all covered, and I will see you when I am washed, dried, and looking fresh. I did such a better job this time. Look at, my roots are covered. Yay! Yay! And yeah, and I'm still blonde. I think it kind of looks darker overall just because of the roots, but everything's gonna get pretty light over time, and I'm just going to take care of it with, they sent me Madison Reed, the Color Protect shampoo and conditioner, so that is very nice of them. I recommend any Color Protect shampoo and conditioner for your color. If you don't want to spring for the Madison Reed one, that's fine. But yeah, so there you go, my Veneto Light Brown. And I'm just really happy. So I hope that was fun for you to see how I cover my grays. I will leave you all the codes and links. I don't know if there's really any codes, but the links below, and you can check it out for yourself. And I hope you enjoy this video and my channel, and please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.